The exclusive that we've been talking about is the fact that the recapitalization which has been promised by the government, that could come as early as, at least an announcement could come as early as today. We should get all the details. So let's go across to my colleague Sapna, who's broken that story. Sapna, what are you picking up?
Hi. So the expectation here is that probably the announcement will be made today. Earlier it was basically the indication was that anytime in the month of July, the government will not take too much time to make the announcement. We also understand that in terms of how much of the allocation will be released from the budget out of 25,000 odd crores, we understand that at least over 50%. So which basically indicates that a large chunk will be given out as quickly as the month of July. But we have to just wait and watch for the details. Earlier, the indications were that the allocation could be as high as 23,000 crores out of the budget, 25,000 crores. But over 50% allocation, over 50% release would actually indicate that could be on the slightly lower side. So we just have to wait for details to come, and hopefully sometime today during the day, we have to wait for the official announcement.
All right, thanks Sapna so much for that. Of course, lots of stocks excited. Should also get a Bank of Maharashtra on your screens. On the ticker, you're already seeing what's happening to a Vijaya Bank on that story. A 5.5% Bank of Maharashtra as well. Huge spike coming in on hopes of more money coming in from the government. All right.